Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Hidden beneath bridge decks are small but vital components, the bearings. But what exactly do they do? And what's involved when they need replacing? Bridge bearings might be out of sight, but they play a vital role in keeping our infrastructure safe and stable. They allow a bridge to expand, contract, and shift with temperature changes, heavy traffic loads, and seismic movement. Over time, bearings can wear out or seize, putting stress on the structure and risking long-term damage. That's why replacement is critical for maintaining both safety and structural integrity. There are different types available, like elastomeric, sliding, spherical, and pot, each with unique designs for managing movement and load. But whatever the type, when it's time for maintenance and replacement, the process requires careful planning and precision. First, engineers inspect the structure and plan how to safely lift the bridge deck with minimum traffic disruption. When it's time to raise the deck, hydraulic cylinders powered by a hydraulic pump, like the Enerpac EVO system, work synchronously with pinpoint accuracy, lifting it just enough to unload the bearings. Load monitoring ensures safe and consistent lifting, and for load holding over extended periods, lock nut cylinders are the go-to solution. While the deck's in the raised position, old bearings are removed and replaced with new ones, and these are typically fastened into position using controlled torque tools. Then the bridge deck can be carefully lowered onto the new bearings and the cylinders removed. Bridge bearing replacement isn't just optional maintenance, it's essential for the long-term health of the infrastructure we rely on every day. To learn more about the equipment that makes this work possible, visit the Enerpac website. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.